Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back to go over what's in the box on Pentair's Prowler 910 Robotic Cleaner. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's Prowler 910 Robotic Pool Cleaner. So this is a full robotic cleaner, no additional pressure line, suction line for your equipment needed. This comes with everything that you need right here in the box. So you guys will actually notice on the front of the box that this is meant for above ground pools. Please disregard that. So they put that in there just to let you guys know that it's meant for a smaller body of water. So for those of you guys that have a smaller play pool and you're interested in throwing in a robotic cleaner, this will work great. It's got a 40-foot cord on it, so it should be able to reach most of 90% of those play pools in the industry. So I'll go ahead and tear this open and just kind of show you guys what comes included. The only difference is the actual size of the cleaner. We're actually going to have some other videos for you guys where we go over the bigger models, so you guys will notice the difference in the actual cleaner size as well as the box size sitting in front of me. So I'll go ahead and cut this open and we'll go through it and just kind of show you guys what comes included. All right. Brand new units. We've got great sales on these going on. We'll have the link down in the description for you guys, take you guys direct to the website so you can hear that nice cardboard crisp. So I'll move some stuff out the way. Well, put this on this side. Oh yes. See if I can do this in one swoop because the cord is already attached and wrapped through. So let me see if I can get it out. Perfect. See what else I'm missing in here. And of course we got the top carry. So let me get this box out of the way. Perfect. So here we go. We've got the top of your caddy. This is going to be your brains of the cleaner. So this is going to be something that you actually have to have plugged in. And this is what's going to help communicate. Your cord's actually going to plug into this. This is what's going to power the cleaner as it's buzzed around your above ground pool or your smaller play pool. So let's get the plastic off of this as well. As you guys can tell, again, right here, here's your 40-foot worth of cord, the plug part for the actual power supply. And then the other side is already pre-installed into the cleaner, so you guys don't have to mess with any of that. And then let me get this out of the way. See the nice shiny blue. I love the Pentair blue. Always makes it look really cool. This. Get the cord out from underneath it. Perfect. Awesome. So here is the cleaner. You guys can actually check that out. It's got really cool tank tracks on the sides. Again, we'll have some other videos where we're actually tearing this thing apart for you guys so you guys can see little quick installs and stuff. But for today, I just want to show you guys what comes included so you know what to expect. So obviously for this model, you don't come up with a full caddy. So if you guys want a caddy where the thing will actually sit on it and deal with it, you need to purchase the larger model, which again, we'll have all of them down in the description for you guys so you guys can check that out. It's actually called the 930W. We'll have another what's in the box so you guys can see the difference. But again, this is the Prowler. So this is actually made by Matronics. It's a dolphin powered cleaner. So for those of you guys that know the dolphin name in the industry, they actually make this for Pentair. This is the specific brand for Pentair. Some of you guys noticed that maybe the box said trade grade. Recently, they just dropped the trade grade name. So we're actually able to send this all over the nation for you guys and get these things into your pool. We run a ton of sales on these things, so you guys can check it out. Again, just visit the website down in the description. You guys can check that out. But it's really nice. I love the color scheme that they did with it. With the grays and the blues, it just makes it kind of blend well with a lot of your other Pentair equipment, which is really cool. But it's pretty straightforward. I mean, we'll have another video, like I said, on taking it all apart. You guys can see some more about it, but just kind of want to show you what they look like and how it comes out. We'll probably do a comparison video for you guys where I'll have all three models set up so you guys can actually see all three models. But this is the smaller model. So don't buy this if you got a big deep diving pool. This is meant for those smaller bodies of water, above ground pools. Again, even if you have a super large above ground pool, don't buy it because the 40-foot of cord isn't going to be enough for you guys. But they do include the user's manual, which does have some of your basic setups in here. And then they also give you your warranty card. So you always want to make sure you fill that out. You always want to require the serial number that is located on the box. If for some reason you accidentally throw the box around, don't freak out. There is a serial number on the unit itself. Most of the time, you got to open the lid, and it's an industrial sticker on the inside of the lid. Again, we'll kind of show you that more in another video, but it is inside. So if you guys need it, it's got part numbers, serial numbers, all that stuff for you guys. But just wanted to show you guys what comes included. Again, the cord with float, your nice power source to be able to plug it in, and the actual Prowler 910. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Like I said, we got a ton of videos coming your way with breaking these down and all sorts of other stuff. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.